Hello guys, today we're reading chapter 7 and chapter 8. Oh, wait, Meanwhile, my evil plan is working. Soon I shall take over the world. But first, I must destroy the RoboCat. What happened next, Flippy? Well, let's turn the page and find out. Suddenly, crash! The RoboCat was in my grasp. But just about as I was about to destroy my enemy, I met a little kitten. Hi! He gave me a comic book. He'd made it just for me. Nobody had ever been so kind to me before. And as I read my comic with my new friend, something changed inside me, and all of my super evil powers melted away. I might not be a tough guy anymore, but I am living proof that love and kindness are the greatest powers of all. The end. Hooray! Awesome! Sweet! Yay! Bravo! Thanks, everyone. But then, hey, Flippy, the mayor's on the phone. Hello? Back your bags, Flippy. You're a free fish. I am. If he's a free fish, why can't free fish be cooked? Yeah, boy. Yep, little Fiddy's research proved you weren't innocent. I'm free. Congratulations, Flippy. Let's go fill out the paperwork, and soon all your problems will be over. We interrupt this chapter with a tragic upgrade. A giant tree is attacking the city, and it looks like it's being controlled by 22 tiny tadpoles. They all have psychotic powers, and they all seem super angry. Gee, I wonder how that happened. Well, he was... mistakes were made. But don't worry, folks. I'll put Dogman in charge of fetching those 22-ton tadpoles. Once he fetches them, he'll get them the help they need. Who wants to fetch the tadpoles? Who wants to do the fetching? Is it you, Dogman? It's Dogman that you fetch it. Who's gonna fetch him? Who's a good fetcher, boy? Ready? Go fetch him! See, with Dogman in charge, what could possibly go wrong? You gotta go help him. Well, okay, but who's gonna help me? Run. You are. Sarah, help, or Zuzu takes away your microphone. Well, Zuzu, I guess it's up to us to save the world again. Let's go save it! Oh boy, this is gonna be great! Great. A fetcher in the sky. I'm so glad we're roommates, Grandpa. I'm not Grandpa. I told you like 1,000,000 times. I know, and I believe you, Grandpa. But then we interrupt this tender-hearted moment with breaking news. Dogman and Sheep are headed to town to stop the evil tree that is attacking the city. Evil tree? Attacking the city? This looks like a job for Commander Cupcake. Start the 10-second montage now. I'm ready to see, Grandpa. I'm not like other cats. You see, I fought for frosting. I stand for sprinkles. And I champion the cause of carbohydrates. Amen. Nobody cares! Villain, done. Villain, Grandpa, villain, done. Oh, Grandpa, I'm so sorry. But I'm Commander Cupcake. Well, that's just great. I was just thinking what we really need right now is a guy in a cake whose only superpower is that he eats a lot of cupcakes. I also eat sprinkles. That's not helpful. We're stuck in here without a key. We shall escape through my cupcake corridor. Watch this. You had an escape tunnel this whole time, and you didn't tell me. You didn't ask. Meanwhile, as Longman and his friends got closer to the scene of the crime, they grabbed some weapons and prepared for an epic battle! It's time to give up, Fair Fairy! Never! You do-gooders can't stop my super angry fire stalking the tadpoles. Stop the tadpoles, Dogman! Stop the tadpoles! Should they make it? Dog tadpoles, get it? And so, come on, Chief, let's go get those tadpoles. Right. What's happening to my arms? It's those tadpoles. They're slapping us with their brains. We can't control our arms anymore. Flip like there's no tomorrow. Do it. Ready? So, hey, dude, the poodle is getting away. Oh, let her go. She's just a tiny poodle. What can one tiny poodle possibly do? Okay, guys, we're gonna stop here. Okay? Capiche?